Hello, welcome to Ancient Civilizations. This is our social studies unit, and now we are working on ancient Greece. So this is a big day for you to discover Greece on your own. So you're going to go to Epic, and you can either find your assignments and read from the collections of ancient Greece that your teacher has put in your Epic file. Otherwise, you can just go to the search and type in Greece or ancient Greece, and you can read different books that you find interesting about Greece. Remember to take notes on what you learned, because when you're just reading, you're definitely learning, but when you write it down and you take notes, then you're using more parts of your brain. So you're reading it, thinking about it, and then writing it down, which a lot of times will trigger your memory a lot more. Okay, so I would like you to go to Epic, find some books on ancient Greece, and read about them. And I hope you have a lot of fun and you learn a lot.